Welcome. In today's guide, I'll show you step by step how to disable app icon badges for chats on Messenger. If you've been getting tired of those little red dots popping up on your Messenger icon, this quick tutorial will help you turn them off with just a few simple adjustments. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is open up your phone's settings. This is where most notification controls are found, and it's the starting point for making the change. Once you're in your settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section contains a list of all the applications installed on your device. From here, you'll want to search through the list and select Messenger. After tapping on Messenger, you'll see a variety of options related to the app, such as permissions, storage, and notifications. For this purpose, choose Notifications. This is the central hub where you control what kinds of alerts Messenger is allowed to send and how they appear. Inside the Notifications menu, tap on Notification Categories. Categories allow you to customize specific types of alerts within the app, instead of turning everything on or off at once. Next, scroll down and find the category labeled Chats. This is the section that manages notifications related to your conversations. Go ahead and tap on it. Once inside the chat notification settings, you'll see a switch for app icon badges. Simply toggle this option off. By doing that, Messenger will no longer show those unread message badges on your home screen icon. And that's it. You've now successfully disabled app icon badges for chats on Messenger. From here on, you can still receive notifications in your status bar, or through sounds if you want, but the distracting badge on the app icon won't appear anymore. This little tweak is perfect if you prefer a cleaner, less cluttered home screen, or if you just don't want the constant reminder anytime a new message arrives. It only takes a minute, but it really makes the experience of using your phone feel less overwhelming. Thanks for watching.